Welcome back. Still stable for the market, so 6170 on that. So let's quickly get away to another mid-cap management. Elder Pharmaceutical, Alok Saxena, the director of the company, now joins us. Afternoon, Mr. Saxena. You received an accreditation from the Ministry of Health Japan for your API plant in Maharashtra. What's the kind of opportunity you see there? And if you could put that in terms of revenues for maybe FY12.
Well, we have been working on this for the last 3 years. And we've just received the approval. The Japanese pharmaceutical market is actually valued at about $70 billion. The opportunity which we are targeting is about $1 billion US. And we will be probably launching our first product into the market in the next 6 months. So the actual major revenues for this will only come in the year 2012-13, where we are looking at major revenues, and our plan is to actually try to get about 1 to 2% of this product's markets. We've also filed for a new patent in this market, so hopefully we should get that in the next 6 months' time, which will open up another $500 million market for us.
So what can you take in terms of revenues for FY12 from this venture?
Well, if we look at the possible opportunities, which is the 3 products which we are targeting in the market, it could be anywhere between $15 to $20 million on an opportunity for the company.
And typically, what kind of margins do you get from products like these? Will you maintain the 18% which you appear to have made in the last year?
Well, the Japanese pharmaceutical market has a much better opportunity where the margins could be as high as 40 to 50%. So we are actually looking at a much better margin prospect from these products in the Japanese market.
Okay. Can you give us an idea of your other businesses, the one in Bulgaria and your Indian products as well? Overall, what kind of FY11 and FY12 revenue growth are you looking at?
Well, the Indian opportunity has been great for us, and the pharmaceutical market, as you know, in India has been doing very well. Elder still continues to be one of the fastest growing pharmaceutical companies in India. Our franchisee in the women's healthcare market with our brands like Shelcal has been growing very well. In fact, we've recently launched new products in this market. We still continue to have a growth of about 20% in that area, and going forward we are looking at launching between 5 to 6 new products in this market. The Bulgarian opportunity is still in the consolidation phase, so it will take another 6 months to 1 year before it is fully consolidated. So our main emphasis currently as it stands is to grow the market in India.
Coming back to the Japanese part, are you in talks with any generic companies for any supply contracts, and when might you close this, if you are?
We have been talking to 2 manufacturers and trading. See, most of the Japanese pharmaceutical market is done by trading organizations. So we have been in discussion with 2 companies. We should be able to sign and conclude in the next 3 months. One of the products has already been given on an exclusive basis to one of our partners, and they will be starting the actual marketing of these products very shortly.
Okay. Well, one of the brokerage estimates is that you should be doing about 825 crores in sales in the current year and 925 in the next year. Is that a fair estimate?
I guess so, because you see, in the first 6 months we've already crossed 400 crores, and our sales teams are on track. In fact, the growth is much better than what we expected. Many of our new introductions are doing very well. In fact, in the antibiotics area, Elder has one of our products has become amongst the top 100 products in the country. So going forward, we are very, very bullish, and as per the estimations of the brokering houses, we are very confident that we'll be able to achieve it.
All right. Thank you very much, Alok Saxena, for joining us with those details. Take a break. Coming up, the Kirloskar brothers investment stock has slid after listing today. We'll speak more about that.